My name is Kasun Thiwanka. My working title is Space for the Oppressed. I'm working with children. Here I hope to give children an aesthetic approach. We worked in a pandemic situation, but country was locked down and I missed them. Then I thought of dealing with them in online, but many students didn't have telephones. Then I started new workshop with another team. It was successful, but I am worried to miss the team worked with earlier. I heard that one child was working because of economic hardship and school closures. So I'm going to meet them after this pandemic. Work with another team, I was able to direct them an aesthetic approach. It is clear from the videos created by children. Working with children is a challenge, but really fun. I hope to continue to work like this. Yeah, thank you very much.